Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Instagram new features not showing in your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to fix Instagram new features not showing on your mobile phone very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes by saying that. Let's start the video. At first go to your home screen and tap on the Google Play Store, and in the search bar search for Instagram, and make sure that you have updated your Instagram application, because these new features will only appear when you have the latest version of Instagram. So make sure to update your Instagram into the latest versions. And even after updating your Instagram application, you are not able to see the new features of Instagram, then there may be some glitch and bugs on your application, so you have to fix that. And to fix that, you have to go to the settings and scroll down and tap on apps. And here in the search bar, search for Instagram. And this type of interface will be shown. And scroll down and tap on storage. And here you have to clear all the data and cache, because sometimes this unnecessary data and cache will cause glitch and bugs on your application, which may result to the problem in application. So you have to clear all that by tapping on clear data. And after clearing the unnecessary data and cache, go to the Instagram and check if the new features are showing or not. And even after doing that, you are not able to see the new features, or you are not able to use the new features, then you have to wait for a couple of weeks, because Instagram will launch their features at some country first. So Instagram may not have launched their features in your country, so you have to wait patiently. And while waiting, you have to make sure that you are updating your Instagram application daily. And by doing this, you'll be able to fix Instagram new features not showing on your mobile phone. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.